back to the course. In our last session, we discussed the factors that influence the purchase decision. Today, we'll focus on the last, but certainly not the least stage, post-purchase evaluation. Post-purchase evaluation is the stage where consumers assess their satisfaction or dissatisfaction with the product or service after using it. It is a critical phase that can significantly impact future buying decisions and brand loyalty. The post-purchase evaluation process typically involves several steps. Comparison of expectations and performance. Consumers compare their pre-purchase expectations with the actual performance of the product or service. If the product meets or exceeds their expectations, they're likely to be satisfied. If it falls short, they may experience dissatisfaction or even buyer's remorse. Cognitive dissonance. This refers to the psychological discomfort that consumers may experience when their beliefs or attitudes conflict with their actions. For example, if a consumer buys a product they later regret, they may experience cognitive dissonance. To reduce this comfort, they might try to justify their purchase, change their attitude towards the product, or even return it. Satisfaction or dissatisfaction. Based on the comparison of expectations and performance, consumers form an overall judgment of satisfaction or dissatisfaction. Satisfaction can lead to repeat purchase, positive word-of-mouth recommendations, and brand loyalty. Dissatisfaction, on the other hand, can result in complaints, negative reviews, and reluctance to buy from the brand again. Disposal. Consumers eventually decide what to do with the product or service after use. They might keep it, discard it, sell it, or even recycle it. The disposal behavior can also reflect their level of satisfaction with the product. Post-purchase behavior can also involve seeking additional information or support. Consumers might read online reviews, consult with friends or experts, or contact customer service to resolve any issues or concerns they have about the product. The post-purchase evaluation has significant implications for businesses, customer satisfaction, and loyalty. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend the brand to others. Businesses should strive to exceed customer expectations to foster loyalty and positive word of mouth. Brand reputation. Negative post-purchase experiences can damage a brand's reputation and lead to customer churn. Businesses should address customer complaints promptly and effectively to mitigate negative feedback. Product improvement. Feedback from consumers can provide valuable insights into the areas where products or services can be improved, leading to a better customer satisfaction and increased sales. Marketing strategies. Understanding post-purchase behavior can help businesses develop targeted marketing campaigns that address customer concerns, reinforce positive experience, and encourage repeat purchase. In conclusion, the post-purchase evaluation is a critical stage in the consumer decision-making process. It is a time for reflection, assessment, and potential action. By understanding how consumers evaluate their purchase and the factors that influence their satisfaction, businesses can build stronger relationships with their customers and drive long-term success. With this lecture, we conclude our exploration of the consumer decision-making process. In our next module, we'll delve into the exciting world of consumer behavior and marketing strategies.